So when we first arrived in Seoul, it was nighttime and it was also New Year's Day. So after walking up a steep uphill to our Airbnb, we walked around and settled on this nice kind of like shabu-esque place to eat.
I thought you were going to.
Hello, it's now 11 a.m. We are at, what's it called? Gyeongbokgo Palace. Yeah. There's Frank and Winnie taking photos. And behind us is the heart of Seoul. Yeah,
behind us.
But this is a palace built upon it. So we're just waiting for the audio guides now.
기념으로
We are at Hanak Village, where we bought one of these carefully crafted sketches. And we were just there at the palace. After walking around Hanak Village and the palace, we first decided to stop by this coffee store that was seen a lot in the dramas. And then we walked around a bit and found this really nice looking Chinese Korean fusion store. We're coming here for lunch. We are eating.
Unfortunately, I just my email details.
Look at all this yummy food for lunch. So right now,
Let's go into remote place.
say hi.
Hello.
Let's go into remote places. Oh, so we can go there.
We are now at Hangover Soup Place with purple rice.
Sticky.
Later that night, we went to a nice bar to kind of experiment with some drinks. So this night, we went up the Seoul Tower and we had this really nice city view. So the next day, we actually took the train to Busan.
It's actually really cool.
Okay, don't shake, just drink it.
Okay, thank you.
Makopi.
So the morning after we arrived in Busan, we all met up together, and one of my friends who lives in Seoul helped us find this place where I ordered cold noodles. One thing that I love about Korean food is that there's so many side dishes that accompany your food so that your palate is so filled with a variety of stuff. Then we took the subway to the Busan beach because I heard from a lot of people that it's super famous. When we got there, we actually walked down the street towards the light, which we discovered was kind of like this winter wonderland filled with a bunch of different pixie lights, and a lot of people were there taking photos. So my friends and I, we also took some photos and strolled along the beach with the waves crashing along the shore.
This is tteokbokki. This is
So this night we decided to grocery shop and stay at home while making groceries since we've been eating out a lot. So after coming back from Busan to Seoul, we basically ate a lot of good food and stuff that we wanted to try when we initially came. So what you saw before was a nice dessert place. Then we went to this nice pasta place called Bermuda that also had really fancy drinks that we ordered. The next day we had really nice soup as well as this amazing fried chicken place. And that concludes our Korea 2020 trip. I hope you guys have had a wonderful time watching this video and hope this gave you some insight into what to visit on your next trip to Seoul or Busan.